Google might finally be preparing one of the most noticeable changes for the Pixel 11 series. And surprisingly, it has nothing to do with cameras, AI features, or performance. This time, the spotlight is on color. A new leak has revealed what appear to be the official wallpapers for the upcoming Pixel 11 lineup, and these wallpapers could be giving an early look at the colors Google plans to offer when the phones launch. For years, Pixel phones have been known for their clean software and unique camera experience, but color choices have often been a mixed story. Some users loved the brighter options, while others felt Google played it too safe. Now, the latest leak suggests the company could be taking a completely different approach. According to the leaked wallpapers, the standard Pixel 11 may arrive in 4 color-inspired themes. The wallpapers show darker and more subtle shades of green, purple, red, and turquoise. While these may not be the final marketing names, internal codenames attached to the files give some interesting clues. The green version is reportedly linked to the codename Moss. The purple variant is associated with Sterling Light. Another version appears connected to Fuchsia, while a darker option is tied to Midnight Haze. What's interesting is that these colors appear more refined and muted compared to some previous Pixel models. Last year's brighter shades attracted attention. But Google may now be moving toward a more premium and sophisticated look. The Pixel 11 Pro lineup seems to continue that trend even further. Leaked wallpapers for the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL reveal a set of darker and more professional-looking color themes. Instead of the red tone seen on the regular Pixel 11, one wallpaper appears to use an orange-inspired color palette. The suggested color combinations include a beige version linked to Dune, a silver option connected to Fog Light, a black model tied to Midnight Haze, and a gray variant associated with Pine. Interestingly, both the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL appear to share the same color options. That means buyers may only need to choose between screen size and battery capacity rather than exclusive colors. The leak also provides a better look at the wallpapers for the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. These foldable wallpapers have appeared before, but the new versions are much clearer. Internal names such as Pine and Midnight appear once again, suggesting some consistency across Google's entire Pixel lineup. However, there is one mystery that remains unsolved. The leak does not reveal the actual color options for the foldable phone itself. So while the wallpapers are visible, the final hardware colors remain unknown. But here's where things get even more interesting. Many Pixel fans believe Google's biggest problem isn't the colors themselves, it's how those colors are distributed. Last year, some of the most attractive Pixel color options were limited to certain storage configurations. Users who wanted higher storage capacities often had no choice but to buy more basic colors. As a result, many buyers ended up choosing black or gray models simply because they offered the storage they needed. That strategy frustrated quite a few customers. Meanwhile, competitors have started taking a different approach. Special color editions have become extremely popular, and consumers increasingly want more personality in their devices without sacrificing storage options. If Google wants the Pixel 11 series to stand out, offering every color across multiple storage variants could be just as important as introducing new colors in the first place. Of course, wallpapers don't guarantee final hardware colors. Google has used internal code names before that didn't directly translate into the final product names. So these details should still be treated as early information rather than confirmation. Even so, the leak provides one of the clearest hints yet about Google's direction for the Pixel 11 family. The designs of the Pixel 11 phones have already leaked multiple times, meaning there probably won't be many surprises when it comes to appearance. That puts even more pressure on colors to create excitement and help the new devices stand out from previous generations. Whether these shades end up being called Moss, Dune, Midnight Haze, or something completely different, one thing is becoming clear. Google may be focusing on a more mature and premium look for the Pixel 11 lineup. The real question now is whether these colors will be bold enough to capture attention in a smartphone market that is becoming more competitive every year. What do you think about these leaked Pixel 11 colors? Which one would you choose right now? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks and tech news.